This is Victor with Autolush, and today I'm going to show you what a disconnect is for Lowrider hydraulics. Let's go check. So with Lowrider hydraulics, I'm going to show you how to plug in your disconnect. So what this does is once we connect this, we're able to use the car up, down, and utilize the car. But once it's disconnected like this, you cannot use the car whatsoever. So the way you connect this is actually you push this in, you're gonna twist it, and it locks into place, and that connects it. So what this is just a safety feature. So if anything happens to the car, catches on fire or anything, you come to your trunk, disconnect that real fast, and it'll disconnect all the batteries that are attached to the car, and that pretty much powers your pumps to send out oil to the front, back, rear to the car, side to side to the car. So again, this is what the disconnect is.